All right. Thank you for joining the Not Your Broker Blueprint sponsored by bitget. This is an exciting conversation today. As always, none of this conversation is financial advice. Please do not take it as such. Also, in the description, we'll have a referral link. Any of the trading fees generated from that referral link, I'll use to buy back and burn kin. So excited about that. And yeah, in the studio, we got Tanner here. Welcome.
Hey, good to see you again.
Good to see you. This is the first live pod you've done for kin, right?
First time I've done one live. We've been doing a bunch of the remote ones over Zoom and Google Meet, but this is nice.
The real deal.
In the studio.
In the studio. So thanks for joining us. Yeah, why don't we hop in? Just give us the overview of why kin was created and what shaped that journey, and give the people kind of where we got to today.
So the thing that got us excited about crypto was, the first sentence of the Bitcoin white paper, a purely peer-to-peer electronic cash system. And if you can give consumers full control of their own money, then you can build compelling consumer experiences. You can offer that to anyone, anywhere in the world. You don't have to go country by country, region by region to find partners, get them to agree to work with you, and then do all the compliance work around that. You can, if you can give consumers full control of their own money, then you can roll out a product to everyone all at once, and you can innovate very quickly. So that's the thing that got us excited about crypto specifically. A bunch of us were into it personally for a while, and then we saw, okay, this really is the only option to build a compelling experience and connect all of these users, all of these developers, brands, and publishers through payments is with this, what we now call self-custodial money.
And back in 2016, for those that weren't there at the time, really the only thing you could do with crypto was send ETH or Bitcoin back and forth to your wallets. And there wasn't things like NFTs, DeFi didn't exist. Smart contracts was just a button in Mist Wallet that you could click and do something with. So it was very kind of nascent, but everyone knew that this technology fundamentally might change the internet. Mm-hmm. And when I got really excited about what you guys were doing was, you're a Canadian company, but it was the first real company that took this seriously. And it kind of opened everyone's mind to like, hey, wow, like this may be a new kind of economy that we can create, or a new feature set to apps that no one's ever experienced before.
Yeah. I think one of the things that makes us as a team unique is that we got into crypto, and I say like we came by it honestly, but it was through first principles of exploring all the different options. We realized, okay, we know the user experience we want to deliver. And the only way that we're able to do that is with crypto as the core of the payments experience.
Yeah. And so that whole process was amazing from the app side, because I remember I could send kin between my apps, which was really amazing. Like this currency that I can earn in one app, spend in another on something that I want. And it really was like, this is the first consumer version of what crypto could serve. Maybe talk a bit about like once kin is launched, that kind of timeline before you get to code of like what was getting you guys excited. And, that process wasn't always easy, but maybe alluding a little bit to kind of what you guys learned. So why don't you tee up this article?
Okay.
And
so I'll demo this. This is, so as Josh mentioned, this is a blogging platform that we've built as a demonstration of the Code SDK. I will caveat, it is a very simple app so far. We're platform developers. We also love building apps. So we built an app that we think is elegant, but it is still quite simple. So I just want to set expectations around that as well.
That's good. We need simple products in this industry.
Yeah. So
it's refreshing.
I'll share my screen here.
All right, so Tanner's going to share screen. I'll navigate to that. And Tanner's going to give a demo here of creating an article.
Cool. Okay, so we've got Penny Post. So the first step is to just log in. So the login experience is actually quite simple. So you go log in with code. Everything comes back to this concept of a scan code. So I can grab this login card off of the screen.
So many people haven't seen the login card yet.
No, this will probably be the first one.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is the thing. When you build apps, we get to dog food things. We're like, actually, it'd be really nice to have a login experience. So this is it.
This is why I'm good friends with Tanner, because I get to see all this stuff early.
Okay, so I swipe to log in, and then it brings me right to the writing pad. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me write a whole post. So I'm going to pull up a bitget.
Shout out bitget. We're going to get you to do an article here.
So here's the bitget newsletter. I'm going to copy part of this.
And so let's say you have a Substack, you already have a Medium. As a writer, it wouldn't be that much lift to also just copy and paste your stuff into this as well.
Yeah, you could easily cross-post. And that's what I've been talking to a ton of writers who are excited about this, and that's what a bunch of them plan to do is take some of their existing content. Here, I'll copy over an image.
Yeah, let's get that bitget image in there.
Just so we get the full experience. So let's copy this image in there. So there's bitget newsletter.
Beautiful.
So all the content is in there, and then it's just as simple. So as you saw, the login card is really simple. I'm just scanning to log in. The only thing that PennyPost, which is the name of the app here, needs to know for login is what the public address is, because it's where is the money going to get sent when people make this payment. So it's a very simple login experience. So then you get right to the writing pad. You can pop that in. I'll go post. Are you ready to post? I hit publish. And now I have this link live. So I'll grab that link, and then here I'll send it to you so that you can open it up on your...
I love how you have the post on X button there.
Yeah.